importance is actually to come out and see and meet and see what's going on. I'm super excited about the VR guy from Microsoft. I think I'm going to go there after this, but it's the kind of the awareness and actually being with other different people in different industries. So I'm quite excited what I'm going to listen to. People need to do less seasons, less buying seasons, less people flying all over the world, less people flying everywhere for shoots. The mills right at the start need to, right at the start you need to work out what you're designing, why you're designing it. Is it a mass product? Is it environmentally safe? What's the footprint of it? And we design clothes that I hope that are beautiful enough to put on walls, and then you would wear them for years and years and years. So we're doing less. We don't produce loads, but we make sure that the making them is exquisite. And it's about buying fabrics and doing all the processes, everything from printing to sequins, all that's sustainable, and then just making sure there's no wastage. So the fashion industry is a huge polluter of the planet, and we just need to be more aware, and we need to basically focus on every level of the market, and we'd like to be the pioneers of some sort of change, not just sort of waiting for the whole world to collapse. And the environment is a huge focus, and everybody, all of us, what do we buy, what do we wear, why, what's the wastage? And we don't need very much, we just need a few very beautiful things. So